UP Fighting Maroons, Payusing, Rimogat, Stevens Pre, Baila, and San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay, Kalimag, Reyes, Turculas.
9:43, Rimogat. Big shot for Noy Rimogat. Payusing. One-hander for James Payusing. Every natin nasa 10. Pakinggan natin yung report ni Maris Victoria para sa atin, Coach Maris.
Alam niyo, Coach, win or learn. Coach Paul Anino.
Totoo ka dyan, Maris, no? It's all about the learnings after all dito sa ganitong
Half court, baka mag-zona yan mamaya.
Kalima got the free throw line. Cut down the lead to 2.
Dito sa Pilipinas, especially yung physicality.
Wow, Kalimag. Ano? Oh, another one for Kalimag, Coach. Kalimag with the help. Kalimag fires for 3. Oh! Tatlong sunod na 3.
This guy, Kalimag, smiling there, really enjoying the game. Yun naman talaga importante ninyo, no? Just enjoy the game as Gani Stevens pass.
Thank you so much, Flo. At yun nga, napaka-importante na kailangan palitan nitong si Noy Rimogat. You have Abadiano, Alarcon, and the rest of the Fab 5, no?
Exactly. What a defense there for San Beda so far, Nino. Kaya nga lamang Lieutenant Vice Governor Dr. Rick Boss Rick Richard Oligario, maraming salamat po.
RV Puyos. Oh, timely shot again. Miguel.
Ang hahaba ng mga wing ng mga Fighting Maroons.
VJ Pre against Itule. Puyos. Step back. Pasok yan para kay Puyos.
Puyos starting. Scottie Pippen. O, ilagay mo na. Kailangan mo mga Bill Cartwright. Look lonely.
Ogana at the free throw line.
What a good curl there for Ogana. Good read there for...
End of kay Estacio. Grabe, daming taga-tita dito ngayon. Sumusuporta para sa San Beda. Hawkins. What a beautiful
miscommunication there for Palanca and Sean Alter as Ogana.
Back to our ball game. Opening quarter po. Opening minute nitong ating second quarter against Reyes. Ogana. That is a foul on Kalimag. Ganda na match-up. 9 minutes and change. Wala pa pong 1 minuto ang nagagamit dito. Oh, what a beautiful cut. For San Beda, courtesy of this guy is Sean Alter. That is a unsportsmanlike foul.
What an unselfish play, moving without the ball from San Beda. As ito yung knockout play as clearly there, Songkoya not playing for the ball. That's a good...
Coach, no, he wants to stop. Itong si Sean Alter.
Iyosi lang. Okay na daw lahat.
Oo. Hindi lang yung Barker.
Oo.
Diba? Rinig nyo rin. Pati rin yung commentators dito. Ubus na po tayo. Quality basketball. But was quality itong basket na ito for UP Fighting Maroons. Look at the feed. Palanca just patiently waiting, Coach, to drop that pass. What a nice stop coming from Palanca. Takbo dito. Baila, lays it in.
Tibugay.
At saka nasa mga taong nanonood sa labas sa atrium. Oh, shout out ninyo dyan tanan.
Oh, maayong gabi ninyo diyan tanan. As Itule
Excuse me, but I have to speak full English for this one. Let's introduce UP's Elliot de Maculangan. For those who don't know him, he hails from Canada. Last play, D2.
Play nila ng number 4 play. Coach Andy sumisigaw. Zoom! Zoom sa corner. Wow, but a steal for UP.
Zone now shown for the Fighting Maroons.
They go to the corner. 10 seconds to shoot. Tortulas, no look, pass and a drive by Lima.
Aldos Turculas. Yes, I can hit.
James Payusing, bumalik na dito. Wow. What a play for San Beda right there.
One of the oldest coaching style dito ninyo, or sinasabi ng mga coach pala, man, you, ball, as Chico Briones getting his first.
And that's a shot. 12 seconds. Scans the floor. Counter steal by Chico Briones. Odudu. One-hander is good.
Odudo.
For the former Ateneo de Cebu player, James Payosing. One-hander. And that is good for James.
That's downhill, parang galit eh. Always goes hard to the basket.
Home court daw, sabi ni Coach Hammer, kasi taga Mindanao nga. Itong si James Payosing. But Kalimag, walang home court.
Exactly.
Really a foul away from the...
As you can take a look at this two-man ball action, you can never leave this guy open. Kalimag, the hottest apo to, no? Again, Puyos eh. Siya relax lang.
Puyos. Fakes. Puyos. Aatake. Ododu. Kingsley with a two-pointer. 2 minutes. 30-35. And bawi naman. Para kay Itule, tabla na naman tayo. O siya.
Oh, Davao boy pala yun eh.
38 all. Ogana again. Di pa tapos.
As Oga.
Puyos. Drops it. Nabitawan ni Pre. Ogana.
Parang nag-trade lang eh.
Oo. Lina against Alter. Spins. The help defense. Wow. Dalawa yun.
Tinuruan to ni Martin Antonio as Kalimag, when in doubt, shoot.
Yung kanilang hinahabol na anim. VJ Pre. Babawi din para sa Universidad ng
Brothers by blood. 6 hours a day to 10 hours nakakasama kayo
Oo,
eh.
diba?
Yung iba pa dyan, 24 hours na.
Mas matagal pa kayo magkasama kaysa mga classmate mo, no? But on the
Exactly.
other side, Ugana, pasok tao dito. And from Tubod, Barili, Cebu, shoutout Agaw Enting. Ana has it. Ododu against Hawkins. One-on-one. Hawkins, or Ododu, scores over Hawkins.
Holma.
Oo, yung katawan. Medyo lengthy lang. Ododu with a fake. Goes reverse. Unstoppable itong si King. Hand off, Hamora. Denied. Nope. What an escape. Coming from Hamora. 54-48. Remo got the drive and the score.
Talking pa to.
14 to shoot. Masaktan si Remogat dito. And the score. Up by 6 itong UP. Noy to Shan Alter.
Oh!
Wow!
Shan
Itule. Wala. Offensive rebound. Torculas. Reyes. Fires for 3. Rattles in for San Beda.
Bakit nga naman hindi yan eh? Nag-double step back pa.
Another steal for San Beda. Nadulas pa si Payosing. And a layup for Kalimag.
Sa 5-0 run.
And the San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay. Cross-court pass wide open. Aldous Turculas. That's good. Tabla tayo. 4:58. Noy against Kalima. Good stop by Noy. Off the glass. Wow.
This guy.
60-58. Cross-court. Stepping on the line.
James Payos.
60-59 pala. Isang free throw lang yun ay pasok doon. Baila. Nowhere to go. Goes to Alter. And Sean with that control. Goes forward. Kalimag. Fars. Misses. Put back. Dito kay Turculas. Against a smaller defender. Here comes the screen. Baila tries to attack. Baila scores.
Too much to handle there for
There's a block from behind doon. The cat stolen away. Baila escapes and scores for UP.
Atakihin niya na. As you can take a look at this replay. Good defense shown there for the Fighting Maroons. Kaya nga itong Ugana. So nice, we need to say it twice. A change of speed from Primera.
4 minutes. Long shot for Puyos, but offensive rebound for Gani Stevens.
You know,
Remogat, 4 seconds. Remogat fires. Agaw ng rebound. Payosing has it. Extra feed. And the score by VJ Pre.
too much length.
Kalimag tries to attack. Libre. Cuts down the lead to 6.
Wow, Kalimag there answering the all.
1-on-1 against Reyes. Remogat. Cross court. VJ Pre. Ogana. Big shot again. He is the man. Russell Ogana.
When in doubt, shoot. Shooting from anywhere since that first quarter. But this is one of the most important shots of the game. It's so nice. We need to see it twice. Russell Ogana. Pangatlo pa yan. Thrice na.
A while ago. Basket. Right, ball's play. 76.
So that's a technical foul on Coach Goldwyn Monteverde.
Oh, medyo, again, na-high blood na konti, no? Quick three here.
Oh, quick 2 for San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay.
What a play there, drawn up.
This is it to Payosing. Ito, final na nila si James. 66.
And then, a three-pointer.
And you know, congratulations to the both squads. UP Fighting Maroons will win and go home with 800,000 cash. Congratulations.
And we all know, Nino, that's a blessing, no, for the team, but it's not.
Si Bugaynons, itong finals MVP natin, para mahuhulaan nyo na yata, pero para mas maging klaro sa inyo, Russell Ogana of the UP Fighting Maroons, 8th champion of the 4th Governor Dr. Ann K. Hofer Open Invitational Basketball. Russ, champion ka na! Nung day 1, sabi mo sa akin, lumipat ka sa UP kasi gusto mong mabalik yung confidence mo. Ngayon, ikaw yung finals MVP, na-achieve mo ba yun?
Wala. Kung ano lang talaga yung matutulong mo sa team, yun lang talaga yung mahalaga.
Pero umalis tayo dun sa individual lang, no? Russ, this is your first championship of the year. Dito sa UP Fighting Maroons, alam naman natin, nire-rebuild nyo pa yung team, no? Gano'ng kalaking confidence booster ito para sa Fighting Maroons?
Wala, parang, siyempre, gutom kami, galing kami sa talo eh. Kaya, wala, magsisigap lang kami para mabalik yung championship sa amin.